Hello guys, this is Esteban Tavera and this is my week 8 exit ticket tutorial for Visual C Sharp. So let's begin. As you guys may see, I'm asking my users to please enter a number, and the program will either tell you if it's odd or even. I'll display a message. So here is my code. It's pretty simple. You enter an even number, you enter an odd number. Simple. So let's run this. Let's say 500. You enter an even number. Correct. Now let's do 737. You enter an odd number. It works. Just press the exit button and it exits you out the program. Thank you guys for watching.